Okay, first of all, what is jeta? Jeta is a designing software. We can create logo, business card, symbols, and any graphics image in jeta. So it is a open source software. Now for with working with the jeta, we want to first of all download the jeta software. So in Google, search download jeta software. Here is a official website of the jeta. uh, Click on download jeta logo designer, and first download jeta setup. After the downloading jeta software, how to install jeta? So click on the setup, exe setup, then select run option. Click on yes. And if you want shortcut on desktop, click the checkbox and go to the next button, then install.